Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you use internet very much?
Yes, I think that in daily routine, every time I connected with internet, if I
Okay,
don't use,
I am connected with internet, or I get connected with internet, okay?
I connected with internet because
Okay.
I'm using different app through this. If I don't connected with internet, people
If I don't get connected,
get connected with internet. I think that I'm connecting less with my family or friends.
alright, so to answer your question, I am always online. Got it?
Yes.
I'm always online means I use internet
All
a
the
lot.
time you use.
Okay, let's go on. Alright, what's your favorite website or mobile application?
I like Twitter. Before this, I prefer Facebook. When I was using Facebook,
When I use Facebook,
when I use Facebook, I faces different people who don't have original IDs on when I
listen to me, listen to me. The topic is what's your favorite mobile app or website? You just talk about it. My favorite website is facebook.com. I like it very much. It's a social website and I stay connected with my friends. I also use Facebook Messenger. So to answer your question, I love Facebook, and even I've got its app as well in my mobile.
Yes.
That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Don't go here and there. Just talk about the main thing. Now, let's go on. Can you live without internet?
No, I cannot live without internet nowadays. Internet is very necessary for our daily routine. I came over here. If I don't have internet, it was impossible for me to come over here. I use map through internet.
All right. Once I asked the same question, one of my students, do you like internet? He said, no, can you live without internet? He said, no, I cannot live without internet because I cannot live without her. So that was a very good answer. Anyways, let's go on. It's your turn. Topic is neighbor. Do you know your neighbors?
Yeah, of course, because I live in a village, and in village the
People are.
people are very respective, and therefore, due to living in a village,
I know my neighbors very well and they are very kind to me. Just try to add a little more, okay? Let's go on. Do you like your neighbors?
yes, I like my neighbors because they are very friendly with us, and we trust it a lot.
We trust them a lot.
We trust them a lot, and we give them our things when we are planned to go abroad.
Okay,
There.
we send them certain food items.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's go on. How often do you meet your neighbors?
Usually it depends on occasions. Whenever they have party or any other occasions, therefore when they invite us and we visit them.
All right, your answers are very short. You need to add at least 2 to 3 more sentences to your answers. You understand the question well, but your answers are short. So try to add some more, okay? All right, thank you.